To get an idea of what Nifty is doing right now, this is the 0.05% chart of Nifty futures. What you'll see is there was a big anchor column on Friday. Now this anchor column can be a bit confusing because because there was a rollover from Thursday to Friday, and the premium for January futures was much higher than the December futures. That's why this is an anchor column. It looks like an anchor column, so you should not be misled because of this. But what has happened today is it has gone towards a high of about 348, and then it has given a bearish column right now, which is in progress, and Nifty is near the lows as of now. So right now it is not bearish, but it is a bit sideways. So what do we understand from the options charts? If you look at the 12,300 straddle, this is continuously going down. In fact, there were 2-3 big bearish anchor columns from Wednesday, Thursday, even this morning. Right now, this straddle is 303, out of which the call is 147, the put is 155, and that is the total of 303. And this is still going down. That means Nifty is unlikely to make a big move immediately. If we go to the 12,200 straddle, that is showing a similar sign. In fact, this is also going down, and right now it is 325, out of which the call is 208 and put is 117, and the total 325. And if this low breaks, which is near 320, that means that will be a further breakdown. There are already two bearish anchor columns on Wednesday and Thursday. So as long as these anchor columns are highs are held, this straddle will continue to go down. And below 320, it might gather momentum. And right now, the put call is 212, the put is 114, which means the call can go down. Call will be dominating on the straddle, and that will go down, which means Nifty can go down further. But at the same time, the 12,300 straddle suggests that there is not much momentum. So though Nifty might go down, it might just drift down. Now, what do the options, individual options chart suggest? This is the 12,300 call. I had also tweeted the 12,200 call a few days back. Now you will see it has a resistance near 225, 220, 228, and today's high is also somewhere there near 178, of course. And there was a bearish anchor column on expiry day from almost 200, 213. So right now this is likely to make a triangle. The third column of the triangle is in progress right now. So the 3% chart also suggests there is not much activity in Nifty right now. If you go to the 1% chart, this looks a further, there is weakness on that, but it is taking support near the anchor support, which is near 145, and today's low was exactly 145. So 145 and 175 are the two levels which you need to look at intraday. Now, if you go to the 12,300 put, this is also not too bullish. When I say the put chart not bullish, that means Nifty is not too bearish. This is a weak chart on 1%, so there is a big resistance of this anchor support, anchor resistance near 165. So as long as this put is below 165, this is not a bullish chart. Right now, the high today is slightly less than 160. So any bullishness in this put is only going to be above 160, 165, above which it can go to this high near 215, 220. Now this is a 1% chart. On a 3% chart, it will show even further bearishness. Again, a triangle in progress. There is a bearish anchor column on Friday because Nifty went up sharply and the put also declined sharply. So right now what it means is Nifty is sideways between maybe 12,260 and 12,350, and the ideal trade would be to go short in the 12,200 or the 12,300 strategy. Thank you.